my pretty. I want to go through some items straight to TJ Maxx.
How can I get through to you? Oh, tell me. How can I get through to you? How can I get through to you? How can I get through to you? Need to know. How can I get through to you?
Not been to TJ Maxx in a long time. So I just wanted to pop in and see what they had. So let's share with you some things I found. Okay, I found like different underwear and stuff, different colors and stuff. Okay, TMI. I came across foot mask. I love to do a foot mask on my husband and on my feet. Okay, just trying to have time when we take time for ourselves. With this foot mask, it was $4.99, and it's a tea tree foot mask. I needed a mirror because sometimes when I go away in these hotels and stuff, they don't really have the right mirrors or it's too far away. So I just wanted a mirror that I can take with me and travel. And then I came across this one. Now this mirror was marked down to $5.50. So this should be a good traveling mirror. I hope that it's a good traveling mirror. You could just sit it down on the table, and it has the big side and the regular side. So this is how it is, and I got this for $5.50. It was marked down. To me, that was an excellent price. Then I went into the plus size clothes. I didn't really see a whole lot of things in there, but I saw this top here. I think I could have got a smaller size in this top. This top is a size 2X, but it runs kind of big, and it was $14.99. This was this nice little cute little throw on top. And then I got this top right here. I got a top similar to this top that I got from Rainbow, but I mean, this feels like silk, and I just like the pattern on the shirt here. Nice pattern. This shirt is a 3X. Runs a little tight, so size up. And it was $19.99 in this blouse here. Nice little throw on, little dressy blouse. And I got this shirt here as well from TJ Maxx. Just a nice little throw on shirt. You know how you go those places and the air condition is up so high. So I have this on with the tank top. It's really nice. And this was $19.99. This is a size 3X. And you can't really see the material. Just nice quality. I always say that at TJ Maxx, it'd be nice quality items. I know what cheap items feel like because I do a lot of clothing hauls.
Keep my hand in the fire. Won't learn my lesson till I let it burn, but never lose my desire. Had it from the moment that I felt my first love. I knew I'd never get enough of you. I take the risk like I'm bulletproof. Shots in my heart, but it bleeds the truth. A part of every little thing I do, like a tattoo.
And I saw some earrings. I like these earrings. They were $12.99. You know I'm a hoop girl. We have a nice selection of jewelry there, watches, necklaces, just nice jewelry. You could just check it out. the different things they may have. And I'm quite sure they have different things at different stores and different times. So you just have to go and you have to look at those things. It just gave you a little sneak peek of what I saw when I was in TJ Maxx. But I did get some little makeup. I got a gel eyeliner and I started using it. So I'm not sure how much it costs, but it's not more than $3. I have a smoky eye pencil when I just want to do that little smoky look. And then I have this I use for eyeshadow, just like a neutral. I put it on the top of here and I just blend it in, you know, because I try not to use the powder because that powder has, you know, that talc in it. So I try to stay away from a lot of powders. So I just do a basic makeup treatment. So I end up getting that. And I end up getting me another one of these. And this was, it all came together with the stand, a sponge, and then another sponge. And this was in a set, and it was $4.99. So I got that.
I gotta find peace of mind. I know now I have to face. I gotta find peace of mind. Please don't let me disgrace. He says it's impossible. The temptations of my past, but I know it's possible. Will my devotion last? He says there's no me without him. Please help me forget about him. He takes all my energy. Trapped in my memory, constantly holding me.
I hope you like those different purses that I shown. TJ Maxx have some nice purses. You know, to a certain age, you kind of go through those phases, you know. I just went through this phase where I just got a pocketbook and I just carry that one pocketbook, that everyday pocketbook, till I wore it out, you know. And then I had a dress pocketbook put to the side, always buying black. Then I went through a phase where I just wanted to get designer. Kids are getting grown, you know, I could do a little more for myself. And I bought some designer pieces. I find the upkeep is a lot. You know, trying to make sure it doesn't lose its shape or pay so much money for it. You really, really want to take care of it. Try not to leave it anywhere or somebody steal it. It's just a lot of upkeep. So now I'm at the point where I just like what I like. And if I see a bag and it's nice, I just buy it. It's not all about designer anymore. Not to me. Some people still might have that designer bug. But I don't have that anymore. I said, been there, done that, and now I just buy things that I like. And TJ Maxx has a lot of nice bags, some designer bags as well, you know, because they can be pricey now. If you've seen that video, you know, some of the pocketbooks is $195 and stuff like that. But if you like it, you get it, you save for it, put away for it, or stay within your budget. I never want my videos to make anybody feel as though they need to be influenced to spend what they don't have. Because I live on my means, not above my means. So I just want you to know, and that's why I show high and I show low items. So these is just the little pocketbooks that I got from TJ Maxx. So I got this bag here. I don't know, something about this bag I really, really liked. I like the way it just gets fat and then it goes to small. I like the shape of this bag here, you know. and it just carries everything. I just throw it on my shoulder and go. And this color go with basically anything. So the price would be up top. Last but not least, I fell for this bag here. I really needed not like a white bag, but like a creamish bone bag. And this was this. Now this is a Steve Madden bag. It has a little wallet on the side. The straps have Steve Madden on it. Okay. The compartments right here inside, it has 3 different compartments, and then a zip compartment inside there. Snap it closed. You could do it by the handle or by the bag. Very nice. And they had this, I saw it in blue, and I did see in another color. I think all I remember is blue, but if I have a picture of the other colors, I will put them on the screen. Then I'm trying to look for some nice shoes that I can wear and look messy, but not have to feel uncomfortable. I got these right here. These are so nice, and oh my God, they are so comfortable. I just wish I could find me some more. I'm gonna go look in another TJ Maxx and see, and look at the details on that. So pretty, but I wanna see if I can find some more colors in this. Black, a white pair. Just get me some other colors, because when something works, I need more of them. And this platform here balances me out. I'm not like this, I'm just like this, and they are so comfortable. Came across these as well. These right here are genuine leather, and these are also comfortable too. I had to get them, and they are $29. Let me let you see, $29.99. So these were the little jewels that I found at TJ Maxx on my little excursion shopping spree. Wait a minute, I forgot about my sneakers. And I wanted to share this with you guys. It's about the time you go that you can catch things when they come out. Those are the things that I got from TJ Maxx. After I left TJ Maxx, I went to Ulta. I just want to show you now the things that I got from Ulta. And believe me, for the price, it wasn't a lot, but I'm going to show you anyway. Stay tuned. Now I want to go through some items, and I took my time, look around, and I bought some things, and I took my time and I read the back of it. Things that I didn't understand, I looked them up. And this right here is like, if you like sweat around your nose, you can like, I think this was like, let's see. It was, this was $14.49. Bought that. Then I bought me some razors because I kind of like shape up around my eyebrows. So I bought me some of these from Ulta in the e.l.f. This is the primer. I use this primer, and I always buy the 2-in-1 lash glue eyeliner. Bought me some Adele eyelashes. Skincare face mist is aloe, cucumbers, and green tea. So these products, this little bit of stuff that I just showed you guys, okay, it was $77. Just for that little bit of stuff. $77. Influencer, a couple of them was talking about Fenty Beauty lip gloss, and I wanted to try it out. This one is the Hot Chocolate Heat, and I get a lot of compliments on this lip gloss. I like it, and it's not, I don't know what the heat is, but it goes on so smooth. So this is from Brianna. This is the Fenty, and it's the Fenty Beauty, and it's the lip gloss. And the price for this was...
Maturing is realizing you don't want to be around drama, stress, or conflict anymore. You start choosing calm over chaos and distance over disrespect. You start prioritizing your peace, mental health, and happiness over everything.
Wow, I did not know I paid $26 for this. That's a little high. I didn't really know. I didn't even look at the price. I just wanted it. It feels good. It got a little heat to it, but it doesn't last long. I don't know if that's a lip plumper, but I really don't need a lip plumper. But I like the feeling of it, and I like that it really stays on and it moisturizes my lips. And it should for $26. So this is the Fenty Beauty, and it's the hot chocolate heat. It's what it is. $26. So I just wanted to pop in and share those little finds with you guys.
Tell me, how can I get